Everyone thinks I'm a local. Everyone like talks to me in local language and I'm like, hello, okay, how much is this?
You have to start saying sawadee-ka. It's just hello. It's like saying kumusta ka.
Yeah, but I want them to know that I'm not a local.
Ooh, there's some little chips. Extra barbecue. Crab Ross. That sounds like a painter. All right, guys. So we had breakfast. We walked around for a while. Hit a 7-Eleven. It was tiny. We're gonna do some 7-Eleven shopping later.
Yeah.
And
You're
then,
gonna have one meal, like just 7-Eleven
yeah,
food.
which looks like a lot of options. But we just went to our first small Buddhist temple, the Wat, in our neighborhood.
It's not flying. It's not afraid of people.
Yeah, there's very tame birds on the street. She saw her first squirrel as well. And then we're gonna try to go into this temple. I don't know if you can film, so maybe we won't have video of that, but we'll see you later. So it's your first Buddhist temple.
Second.
Second.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I just really like, they have like nice statues, right?
Yeah.
There is a shop. Did you film from the first temple we went?
No, I did. We were so inside. It was like interior, and I didn't know.
Super silent.
Very silent.
The interior is super nice.
Yeah, lots of gold and like 3 floors worth of Buddhas stacked up.
And we went to temples where there are no tourists. It's
Yeah.
only us.
And free.
Yeah, free.
Even though she wore her nice dress, but I got in with shorts. So if you go to the not super touristy places, like we haven't seen a single person here. It's basically just been us and some workers cleaning up. So we're gonna go to the flower market,
Yeah.
and then it'll be almost noon, so maybe we'll grab lunch. Still full? And we still have leftovers,
Yeah.
which we shouldn't feel compelled to eat all our leftovers. We should just order less, right? Because we ordered 3 different restaurants for breakfast.
And we're super full. I only want I've been drinking a lot of water.
Well, you've been walking around.
Yeah, and I'm super thirsty. But it's not super like hot as Philippines.
No, but it's
Like
dry.
super not intense. Yeah, there's no air lang.
Okay, well, let's go. We're gonna go to the flower market. Hopefully, I'll get some footage there. So, all right, we got some fried corn, fried taro.
And then spring rolls.
Okay, why don't you try?
I'll try. She knows we're a foreigner
She does.
because she asked to leave us first.
Uh huh. Oh, she's even moving. She's on the move. I missed her. She was pushing her cart around the corner.
Huh?
I guess I'll take one on top.
The sauce is sweet.
Yeah, it's like a peanut chili sauce.
Mm,
Oh yeah,
fun.
you're not a fan?
Of the spring rolls.
I want it. It's covered in sauce. Oh yeah,
What did you eat?
I think it's a corn.
I think I like to dip this with vinegar. You know the green sauce this morning?
Yeah.
That would be
We still have some.
okay later.
You want to save it?
Mm.
Okay. It's almost noon, so we're gonna go back home. You had a good day?
Yeah. Everyone thinks I'm a local. Everyone like talks to me in local language and I'm like, hello, okay, how much is this?
You have to start saying sawadee-ka. It's
Wadika.
just hello. It's like saying kumusta ka.
Yeah, but I want them to know that I'm not a local.
They won't think you're a local.
Okay. With the accent.
They'd be like me speaking Bisaya. Like you could tell. Just because you're Asian doesn't mean you have the same accent.
Sure.
Don't be racist.
I'm not.
Okay, guys. We'll see you later. What are we about to have?
Michelin Moon. A Michelin stars. Mango sticker rice. That's it. It's coming. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. It was 130 baht, which is 250 pesos, so about $5. But it's supposed to be good. It looks just like rice and mango.
I have to put this on the
Put the
right.
seeds on.
What are these?
So,
I'm sorry. For anything else? Hold the bird.
it's going to be interesting to try. This is supposed to be the center of where there's a night market. If you saw across the street, there was like an alley, and I think that's where the street food night market is.
So this is our first Michelin star.
Yeah.
Super soft.
But good.
Try the mangoes.
Sweet man.
I never tasted a mango like this.
Very good.
Yeah. And let's try it together with the sticky rice.
What do you think of the combo? Is it like just condensed milk and rice?
It's like biko
Because
with just mango. Or no, not biko, suman. Try it.
It's a good combo. It's very sticky rice and cream and mango. It's like a poor man's mango float, right?
Yeah, and then the sticky rice it's properly cooked. Like not too soft, not too hard, right?
Yeah. We're at the big 7-Eleven. What did you find?
TikTok recommendation. A toothpaste that would instantly make your teeth white.
Okay. And now we need some water.
Yep. Just looking at the snacks.
More snacks.
Look at that. That's a
Mango
lot.
steam for only 200 pesos.
Milk tofu, yeah.
That's cheaper than the Philippines. Tuna, shredded pork, ham and cheese.
They usually recommend
Ham and cheese. Okay. That's the non-croissant.
spinach delicious.
Okay. Oh, a little bag milk for later. And there's a banana caramel milk.
I can tell you like the banana caramel.
Lots of cooking stuff. I don't know who's cooking around croissant. Calzone.
Maybe we could buy some sauce, no?
Maybe.
But we don't know how it tastes.
So sometimes you guess and then you find a new favorite, you know?
True.
And if not, then you just end up with something crazy you got from another country. And then you have people try that too. People like bad stuff. Oh, beards. Okay.
How do you look up what's their local beer?
Chang Singa Leo.
Ah, here.
Chang Singa Leo. They're all about,
Mostly I could see this one green. Remember last night when we were eating the
Yeah,
thing they're
Chang.
cooking?
and that's only 60 for a big one.
Ooh.
For one 600 ml. So 2 beers basically. Ooh, there's some little chips. Extra barbecue. Crab Ross. That sounds like a painter. Original. Hot chili squid. Would you eat hot chili squid?
No.
It's only
Oh,
6.
that's unique flavors.
Yeah.
Wait, but this is what I saw in TikTok. That it's really good.
Okay.
You don't know the flavor, but it's really good though.
Maybe when we are going back home, if we think about it, we'll stop back by, pick up a few snacks.
Yeah. because when we went here, we were eating
Yeah.
Filipino snacks. At the
Even the
plate.
big one's only 65.
It's nice.
Nori
Super
seaweed.
size. Oh, Jack and Jill. Yeah, Jack and Jill.
Oh,
It's very cheapy.
yeah.
Piatas.
Hey, we got some water. Maybe we'll get 2 waters.
Different sizes, maybe.
Yeah. You have a Fanta fill?
You get it.
Glad it didn't explode. Ooh. Chocolate. I don't know what that is. Grilled squid. Grilled corn. Tomato. Bell pepper. A lot of good snacks, baby. All right, let's pay for our water. Anything else you want?
No. Just
Okay.
this.